friends, this is my web technology 6th experiment. Here, first I have to display a digital clock. That is digital time, a current time. This is 5 quest is here. My first quest is to display a digital clock. For that, here I open a body, and in the division class I have given a class is equals to nav, and in my UL and LI tag I have referred to first is my quest. See, when I click here the quest is highlighted. First is my quest page, that is text decoration. Second is another HTML page, is page 3 HTML and 5 experiments, and each with each each values, each output to be displayed. Here, in my first one, I have to display a digital clock. For that, I use division class is equals to container, and the container here center. I have displayed in center, and the digital clock H1 tag, so it is in bigger form, and I give a BR tag so that to give a gap, and span ID is equal to time, style font size is equal to 50 pixels, and the time. Here I used a function called display. In my script tag I used a function called play. Here where d is equal to new date, where the d is assigned to the date. Date is a function which gives the current date, and I am displaying the time by d.getHours, d.getMinutes, and d.getSeconds. D is the object created for date. So the date gives the respective date of, that means the current date. So the current hours, current minutes, and current seconds will be displayed, and this will be repeated. This display will be repeated for 1,000 times. For that, I give set interval. So for every 1,000 times it will be displayed. It's all about my first quest one. My second one is to dynamic background. So here the background must be displayed. The color must be displayed dynamically. That is, it has to change. Here, in my dynamic background, in my script, I called a function called set background color, and red, blue, green, and these three colors I have set here. So these three colors I use in the math function, that is a random increment. Color is RGB, using RGB function, that is red, green, and blue. And this body, that is style color, must be displayed, and this must be displayed for every 300 seconds. Will be displayed, will be changing. The color of the background will be changing. And my third quest is here. The font size of the font must be changed when the cursor is moved over it. On moving over the cursor, move over, it must go to the increase size, and when move out, it must decrease size. In my script, first I have created a original function, that is para1, and in the increase size, I have increased the font to 50 pixel, and in the decrease size function, I am assigning to its original size, that is the size which is given. See, when the cursor is moved over it, the size is big. Able to see here, the cursor is moved over, my size is big, and when I move out, the size is small. This is size in and out function. And next one is, this car has to move. When I click start, it has to move, and when I click stop, it has to stop. Here in my car function, I have created a car image here. Position is relative, and two buttons, that is for start and stop. And in my script, my image object is equals to null, and another object is animate, and my image object is equals to my image, that is the image which is assigned, and the position must be relative, and the style left or right functions must be 0. So starting of my the car is in 0 pixel, that is 0 position. Move right function is Move right function is to move the object left plus 10 pixels. So it moves with 10 pixels ahead. See here, when I stop, it moves with 10 pixels. So it appears like moving. See, it is rotating. It will move. Here, the animate is equals to set timeout, move right is equal to 200. For every 200 minutes, it will be continuously moving. And stop function is nothing but when I click stop, it must be in 0 pixel. So when I click stop, it is in 0 pixel. Then my fifth quest is author A, author B, C, D, E, and A, B, C, D. In here, I kept in the span ID is equals to book and author A, B, C, D, and E. And before 1980, the span ID is B and E. And after this is this. And in my script, I've kept in the where books, that is title is equal to book A, author, and 2007, and all the values are assigned here. And where I is equals to 0, when this I is less than the book length, then the book will be displayed and it gets incremented. When I is equals to 0, that is if I books is less than length, the book is less than or equal to 1980. So this will be displayed. Else the title of this will be displayed. This is all about fifth quest. So the first quest is a digital clock. Second one is a dynamic background. Third one is to cursor, that is to change the font size. Fourth one is movement of a car, and fifth one is to display the books. That is before 1980s what and all books, before 1980 what and all books will be. That is books display. That's all about my sixth experiment. Thank you.